A successful rental property doesn't happen by chance. It follows a life cycle, a series of steps that, when managed correctly, protect your investment and drive long-term performance. It starts with onboarding. At Stokley Properties, onboarding begins with understanding your goals, reviewing the property, and identifying any legal, maintenance, or compliance items that need attention. We establish the right pricing strategy, prepare the home for lease, and set clear expectations from day one. Next comes marketing and leasing. The property is professionally marketed. Inquiries are handled promptly, showings are coordinated, and applicants are thoroughly screened. Every step is handled consistently and in compliance with fair housing laws to place a qualified tenant efficiently and legally. Once leased, the focus shifts to active management. Rent collection, maintenance coordination, inspections, and tenant communication are handled on your behalf. Small issues are addressed early to prevent larger problems and protect the condition of the property. As the lease term progresses, performance is reviewed. Market conditions, rental rates, and tenant history are evaluated to determine the best renewal strategy. When renewal makes sense, we manage rent adjustments, notices, and lease updates. If not, we prepare for a smooth transition and releasing. Each phase builds on the last. When one step is rushed or mishandled, it affects the entire life cycle. At Stokley Properties, we manage the full rental life cycle with structure, strategy, and accountability, from onboarding to renewal and every step in between. Stokley Properties, managing your property for long-term success.